Baik, teman-teman Alipers, pemirsa Alipers TV, kita sudah terhubung bersama Gianni Bravoska. Good afternoon,
Yeah.
Uncle Gianni.
Ciao. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much. My pleasure. You want connect with us on Alipers TV
For
live
sure.
stream?
It's a pleasure for me.
Yes. So this
I
is
love the Alipers. It's the Alipers is it's a part of my love today.
okay, Uncle. So amazing. You want become part of this big family
For sure.
Alipers Indonesia. Yes, we are
Sure.
so appreciate to Uncle Gianni and so to Mr. Andrea too,
For
because
sure.
you introduce Alibata to Mr. Andrea, and
Sure.
now this is amazing because Mr. Andrea want to do perform
Yeah.
on theater tomorrow on
Theater.
28th
Yeah.
October.
Yeah.
This is
I wrote because someone don't know. The concert will be 28 October.
yes,
After we need to editing the video, and we send the video for all the Alibers group. So we need just some day, 2 days to organize this
yes.
one to
Okay,
editing the video. But no a lot of day, maybe 2 3 days maximum.
I know, Uncle. So can I ask you something about Alibata, about Alipers?
Sure.
When you first time know Alibata or see
Yeah.
Alibata, maybe someone introduce you with Alibata or you find it on YouTube.
I I explain in one video the story.
Yep.
Someone sent me 2 3 months ago,
Mm-mm.
because my channel also is very young. I opened this channel 4 months, 3 4 months ago. I don't remember, because I have some Italian artists, and I fight with some, critical about the young generation, music, this and that. And I opened this channel. After 1 month, a friend of mine sent me a video from Chakra Khan, no, and to make a reaction about Chakra Khan. So I discovered Indonesian music, and the first time I met Chakra Khan.
Yep.
When I react Chakra Khan, a lot of people send me, please react Alibata, please react Alibata. For me, it's new, so I try to find a leap. And when I find the first time a leap, I was unbelievable surprise. The talent, it's a, it's a, also it's a great artist. It's a great man. When I discovered the history about Talib, I just fall in love with Talib Bata, and I start to react deep. And Indonesian artists in generally, but Alip is in my heart. So that's the story.
Oh,
That's all.
yeah,
I
yeah.
start just because someone sent me Chakra Khan after I discovered Alip, and everything start. That's all.
Okay, let me explain first to audience at Alipers TV. Jadi teman-teman semuanya ya, ini Mr. Giani. Waktu pertama kali 3 bulan yang lalu lah sekitar ya, dia mereaksi Cakrakan karena ada yang merequest Mr. Giani mereaksi Cakrakan. Kemudian Mr. Giani mengeksplor musik dari Indonesia dan alhamdulillah ketemu channel Alibata dan dia sangat surprise, sangat terkejut ketika melihat semua video Alibata dan dia katakan, "Are you falling in love with Alibata ya, Mr. Giani?"
Also, I fall in love with Ali Pada because he's a great artist. Also, I fall in love also for the Alipers because they send me a lot of love, a lot of effect. So I really love the Alipers world. I'm in love with Ali Bata and all the family around Ali Bata.
Thank you so much for you, Uncle Gianni. So,
My
uh,
story, if
yep.
you want to know something about me,
Mm-mm.
I I'm first of all, I know I play music for all my life with, and I know all the great artists in Italy, a lot of great artists. But also I'm a stylist, I'm a shoe designer, and I have two big love: the music first of all, and my job. But my job today, I'm just a little old. I prefer follow music, only music, and the Alipabata word is a really unbelievable word.
Unbelievable
That's my
word.
opinion.
Yes, Uncle Gianni. So, you play music. You are musicus too. You play
Yeah,
guitar,
yeah, a little
and
bit.
I
Not like Alip.
I know that on Italia, on Italy,
Yeah,
on your country,
yeah.
I think there is a lot of mm, bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya? The central of classical music, I think ya. Italy.
Yes, for sure. But Italian music today, it's like all over in the world. You know, music in generally, the Italy is a classic romantic song. You
Yep.
know, the classic melodic
Yes.
song, the history of Italian music.
Mm-mm.
Also opera, this and that. But today, like all over in the world, the music is a mix. So we have the trap, the rap, everything. You
Yeah.
know,
Yes.
every every type of music
Yeah. Yeah.
today is like all over.
Yes.
But uh, I want to say something. Uh, like Andrea Pistilli. Andrea Pistilli, it's a great talent. It's I I knew and I know a lot of music very great, but Andrea, it's a genius in the music. It's a little genius, and I'm very proud and happy to mix Andrea with Ali Bata, because Ali Bata, it's a great genius. It's it's Ali Bata have a soul, a really special soul. It's not only um, only music. Ali Bata, it's something special.
Special.
He have something special inside, and to mix Ali Bata with another little genius, Italian genius like Andrea Pistilli, it's for me, it's when I discover Ali Bata and I call immediately Andrea, I say, listen to me. I need to show you someone, and that's all. That's the story.
Yes, I have searched on Google and I read a little about Andrea Pistilli. He is a great musician in Italia and he also arranger, composer and make a them
Sure,
song
sure.
for a movie.
It's
This is amazing because he won collaboration with just
Ali
a
Bata.
person from Indonesia, Alibata. This is so
Sure.
amazing, Uncle.
That's the magic of music. The music connect the world.
The
I,
music
I
connect the
I
world.
think the music is the way to connect the world. Without any, we speak in English now. I'm Italian, and generally I speak Italian. I start to speak in English in the video just to connect the music around the world. Because if I speak Italian, it's not easy to understand me. So
Yes,
that's all. And the music, it's the language, a universal language
universal language. You're
to
right.
understand the people, to understand the soul of the people. For me, the Indonesia artist, it's I discovery another different world because You know, normally we live in our country and we follow, USA, British, this and that,
Yep.
because he's, so the
The
communication is too
combination.
strong for that country.
Yes.
And discovery a universe like Indonesia in the artist, in the tradition, for me, is something unbelievable. I just fall in love with Indonesia in generally. I really love.
Thank you
For
so much.
me, it's a new way just to understand something in different way, different position.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yes. And I think you should come to Indonesia sometime with
For
Andrea, of
sure.
course. Yes.
I hope so. I hope so. We I'm a little old, but I want to, to go.
Yeah.
I want to enjoy Indonesia. I want to be someday in your country, fantastic country, and enjoy the people, the music, and the tradition. I love Indonesia. I very love Indonesia, Indonesian people.
Yes, Uncle. And it's about Alibata. What do you think makes Alibata different from other guitarists, according to you?
I, I explain sometimes what I think about Alibata.
Yep.
Technical is unbelievable technical. When I want to explain the technical about a leap, I just ask to Andrea, because eh, Andrea,
Yep.
when we react the Paget block with Andrea, he explained a little bit, and because I understand really immediately the talent and the guitar of Alip Bata. But it touched me inside because he arranged the music in a special way. It's not only technical. Alip Bata is something different, because the technical you can do if you are a guitarist, a certain level.
Yeah.
But
Yep.
to arrange, to put inside, to organize, to make arrangement like he doing, it's it's a genius. It's no usually to hear. I don't talk about only technical. The technical is just a little piece of Alibata. Alibata is something more than technical, than extraordinary guitarist. It's something more.
Something more. Are you talking about Alibata playing with his soul, maybe?
For sure. It's soul, it's art. When I react, I react second time. I call Andrea. I I call Andrea. I say, listen this, and please send me some information. I don't want to know nothing about technical, about banding, tapping, or this and that. I don't
Yeah.
harmonic, this and that. I don't want to know nothing. I know, but I
Yes.
don't want to know.
Yeah.
Just to send me what emotion you feel. And Andrea, say pure and heart. Exactly my emotion.
Okay,
That's
okay, okay.
Alip.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, thank you so much, Uncle. Wait a minute. I'll explain to Ali Pers TV watcher in here. Jadi saya tanyakan kepada Mr. Giani ya, bagaimana pendapat Mr. Giani tentang Alibata, apa bedanya dengan gitaris lain yang dia bilang ada sesuatu yang tidak bisa didapatkan dari gitaris lain. Ini bukan masalah teknik karena teknik bisa dicontoh, teknik bisa dipelajari. Tetapi bagaimana Alip memainkan komposer, bisa mengorganis ya tadi dia katakan, kemudian memainkan emosi yang kemudian saya bertanya apakah menurut Giani ini Ali bermain dengan jiwa ya. Dia bilang tentu saja karena dia bisa langsung merasakan bagaimana Alibata bermain dengan hati dan jiwanya dan itu disampaikan langsung juga oleh seorang Andrea Pistilli. Seperti itu ya teman-teman, rangkuman dari pembicaraan yang barusan dan itu sangat luar biasa. So what's next, Uncle? You introduce Alibata to Andrea Pistilli and he want collabs on Pagebluk, maybe on other song like Pandemi or Munajatku maybe. And for 28th October,
Yeah.
Andrea and friends. That's look like show.
It's a concert.
Is a
It's
concert.
a concert, Andrea,
Andrea
with
Pistilli. Mm-mm.
different artists
Yep.
also inside. Andrea is a professor in conservatory in Cosenza,
Oh
and
God.
use is a student, the best student,
The best student.
to help in this concert. Also have a lot of artists on the stage with Andrea. So he play his career, entire career,
Yeah.
around the music, and in this occasion he put inside Alibata is a piece of history, and when he talk about web, he meet the special meeting in the web, he have virtually meeting with Alibata, and he put inside the concert the Pagebluk moment, and Alibata is shown in the theater, in the video,
Okay.
and Andrea play with Alibata live in that moment, like Alip here, Andrea here, and they play on stage with Alibata.
Awesome, Uncle. It's
That's
amazing.
the moment Alibata.
Yes.
You have a different moment in the concert with different artists, and that the moment, special moment with Alibata. That's all.
Oke. Thank you so much, Uncle. Ya, Uncle, dari Uncle Giani ini ya yang sudah mengenalkan Alibata kepada seorang profesor ya. Profesor Andrea Pistilli. So banyak murid-muridnya dan besok di konser tersebut akan banyak teman-teman Andrea Pistilli yang mengisi bersama Andrea Pistilli tentu saja. Mungkin perjalanan awal karir dari Andrea Pistilli sampai selesai dan sebuah apresiasi untuk Indonesia ketika Andrea Pistilli mau menggunakan Alibata, mau menggunakan Pagebluk Alibata di konsernya tersebut. Ini sangat luar biasa karena akan berefek besar terhadap citra gitaris Indonesia tentu saja ya. Tentu saja tidak lepas dari Alibata dan tidak lepas dari Indonesia pastinya. Wait a minute, Uncle. Maybe some Alipers want to ask something. Silahkan untuk Anda semua yang melihat ini mungkin ada yang ingin ditanyakan untuk Uncle Giani. What time now, Uncle Giani?
Yeah.
What times is right now? Maybe we have a different time.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
Right now. What time is it on Italy?
In Italy,
Uh-uh.
6 o'clock
6 o'clock
afternoon.
afternoon. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 hour. This is 23 o'clock on Indonesia. Is almost
5 hours different, no?
yes, 5 hour different.
So,
Almost midnight in here.
yeah, sure. 11 o'clock. Oh, no.
11 o'clock. Yes, 11 o'clock in Indonesia. And
Here is 6 o'clock.
Monggo silahkan untuk yang mau bertanya. So you have discover Indonesian music after Alibata, Cakrakan, maybe
Yeah, sure.
you.
I start with Chakra Khan.
Mm-mm.
After I react also. Alib, it's my,
Yeah,
Alib Bata. It's a different way. It's a
different.
different situation. Alib, it's Alib. That's all. After I react also Vanni Vabiola.
Fanny Fabiola, great,
Fabiola,
great, yeah,
a
greatest
great artist.
and lovely singer.
I react also Novia Bakmid,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Reinik,
Yes.
the young he sing in Japanese, Reinik. I
Uh-uh.
react some artists, and also I react Indonesia with Alfie Rev.
Alfie Rev, that's
Alfie
amazing
Rev.
composer too, I think, yes.
Yeah. I discover a little piece of Indonesia. I start with Alib Bata,
Yeah.
strong, and I want to make a little around just to understand a little bit universe of Indonesia, because Indonesia is a universe. It's just a country. It's something. It's something very very rich
Yeah, yeah. Yes.
to understand. It's unbelievable. It's a universe. It's a special. It's a special
Special,
Indonesia.
yes.
It's a
And
special place.
that's a reason, that's why you have to go to Indonesia someday.
Sure. I hope and I want to be.
Okay.
I don't know when, but for sure I will go.
Okay, there is some question from Mela. This is Alipers from Indonesia.
Yeah.
To Uncle Giovanni, can we enjoy? Maybe there is a live stream on that concert, on Andrea Pistiri concert, or no?
It's not easy because the concert and we to record to go to give quality of concert
Yes.
live stream. It's not easy
Yeah.
because if you want to hear something in quality, you need to and the music, if without quality, it's
Yes.
nothing.
Okay.
So
I understand, Uncle. Yes.
uh, Andrea in the beginning want to go live.
Live, yes.
But after we say I don't know the quality, when you to record, it's a concert, so it's the record, editing, make editing after, and also it's very, it's no I don't know, 2 hours maybe concert, 2 hour and a half. It's very long, so maybe to editing after the best moment,
The best
the
moment.
Alib Bata moment, and editing something like this, maybe we enjoy more
Okay.
because I don't know. Quality it's important in
Yes,
music.
I know, Uncle. So, jadi untuk teman-teman tahu sendiri ya, dan itu mungkin juga salah satu alasan kenapa Alibata sampai sekarang tidak atau belum live. Sound quality yang diterima oleh pendengar itu berbeda dengan sound quality yang ada di sini. Sehingga untuk menampilkan apa yang ada, apa yang kita inginkan ya, itu tidak mudah. Setting equalizer, setting ampli dan sebagainya. Itu bukan masalah yang gampang, kecuali itu benar-benar sudah profesional, ya katakanlah kalau kayak mungkin kalau stasiun-stasiun TV yang besar itu menggunakan alat-alat canggih dan sebagainya, sehingga semuanya, dan itu pun mixernya, operatornya harus operator yang sungguh-sungguh pintar. Kalau enggak bakalan sampai ke telinga pendengar, pemirsa dengan baik ya. Dan itulah alasan Uncle Gianni dan juga Andrea Pistilli, mereka tidak ingin menayangkan live, tidak akan menayangkan live karena dikhawatirkan penonton tidak akan mendapatkan sesuatu yang diinginkan. Dalam hal ini tentu saja karena Andrea menampilkan sebuah pertunjukan gitar, dia tidak ingin mengecewakan penonton dengan sound quality yang buruk. That's Uncle. I explained to Ali Pers in
Thank
here.
you.
So
Okay, bene.
we
I understand.
understand, we understand because it's so many trouble on live
Sure.
stream.
In life, also it's long,
Yeah.
long presentation in the beginning with the, uh, eh, it's better
Yes.
editing
Better
and send
editing.
the concert. We enjoy better, maybe.
Yes. Okay. So, Uncle Gianni, maybe you want say something for Alipers in Indonesia, so for fans of Alibata in here watching in live stream Alipers TV. Maybe you want talk something, something maybe for Alipers in Indonesia who watching Alipers TV.
I don't know. If when if I go in the theater,
Um,
no, maybe with my phone, I stream something.
okay, maybe just a little bit. Yeah, it's okay, Uncle.
Okay, I will.
But I don't know.
If
With
I will go, if I will go in Cosenza because I live in Rome. Cosenza is 4 hours, 5 hours from
5 hours.
Rome.
Yeah.
But I hope I will be in the theater. If I will be in the theater,
Mm.
I promise I with my phone I stream something
Okay, we hope you can.
for the Alpes.
We
Okay.
hope Uncle Gianni can do it, but I don't know. But it's illegal. Not there is a law in Italia, I think. Yeah, the on a Twitter maybe we cannot uh, capture or making live stream from directly on the Twitter maybe like that.
Oh, right. Why not?
No,
It's possible.
it's
We will
possible.
see.
Okay, okay.
We'll see. I need to talk a little bit about this, and maybe we can do something. We,
Can do.
we will see.
Okay,
Okay.
we'll wait on your channel,
I don't
of
want
course,
to
Uncle.
I don't want to say nothing now, but um, I if I am some new
Uh-uh.
about this,
Uh-uh.
I send you information.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much, Uncle. We so appreciate for you, and we wait news from your channel, of course. Maybe you can write
Sure.
on your community tab
Sure, sure.
and
When I
spread.
send you, I send you all information. Don't worry about. It's a pleasure for me.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much for Uncle Gianni. Thank you for join at Alipers TV live stream on tonight on this evening,
Okay.
and we hope you and your family and Andrea too. So
Sure.
always health. Nothing happen on Italy again, and pandemic
Sure.
gone for yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Uncle Gianni.
A great kiss for all Alipers.
Oke, kopi mana kopi, Uncle?
Mana kopi. Okay, ciao.
Ciao, Uncle.
Ciao. Ciao.
Baik, itu tadi ya, teman saya set dulu untuk kamera saya yang saya pakai. Sebentar ya, kita dengar.